Hello and welcome back to CM Bonsai. Okay, I brought in this lilac to give it a bit of a pruning, maybe do a little bit of wiring on it just to bring some of the branches down and stuff. It's got a couple of weeds in here, so we'll get them out anyway first. If I can. Broke. They always break, these guys. They always manage to get their roots tangled around the roots of the tree to hold them in. So I got this tree, well, it was a stump at the time, didn't have any roots on it. Basically it was just sliced across the bottom like a cutting, and I took it and see if it would grow, and it was very slow for the first year or two to get going, but I've managed to get it going now, and slowly but surely we're getting a bit of growth on it. It always flowers, so that's good. So I'm just trying to basically create a bit of shape print now. So I used to have this as the front. You see there's a bit of carving here. It's rotted out through the centre. I tried packing it because it was sending down roots in here, but they seem to have stopped sending down roots now. Cobweb in there. But recently, since I repotted, I've kind of made this my new front. Did have a big ugly root here, but it was at the back, so I didn't mind it. But since I changed this to the front, I had to take that off. But it's still doing pretty well. So we'll go in, we'll give it a bit of cleaning up, a bit of a pruning first of all. Got some little branches, shoots coming out in here, so we'll take them out. Does have a little bit of wire still on it from the last time. What we're going to do now is just kind of decide on what I want to keep, and then we'll have a look and see if we need to put a bit of wire on it or not. Again, just taking out some of these shoots that are popping out in the middle. Reduce some of these back to the first or second set of leaves to help with the ramification. Leave the flowers. They can be carrying on growing. This branch here, I'm wondering, I don't particularly want to do much wiring on it if I can help it, so maybe for now we'll just go with more clip and grow, and we'll see at a later stage if it needs wiring or not. But for now we'll try and do what we can. We're just clipping it back. Another one in here, it's a bit high. Kind of a lot going on here with this branch. Let's take off this one here. Out of it. Reduce this one back, take that one off. Reduce that one back to them two. And that one. At least now we'll be able to see more of the flowers as well as reducing it back. When it pushes again, it should push out more and more branching, which will help off filling it out. And this flower is kind of going back the wrong way, so I'll just take that one off. So it's a bit tangled up. Tangle that a bit. Push them back. So yeah, so when I got it, it was just basically a stump with a couple of thick branches off it, and like that, it just cut the bottom clean off. It was just straight across like a big cutting, and hope for the best. And it's done pretty well, considering. Now it's just a matter of building the canopy now. So it's coming from right in here. I think I'll take that one right back. This one. Take that back to there. Over there. I'm starting to take a bit of shape. A lot of the branches are kind of like a Y, so I'm taking the ones that, if they're shooting in, I'm taking them off completely and just reducing the ones coming out. Any of these ones that are just shooting straight up, we'll take out completely as well. There, we'll get rid of that one. One here which is kind of crossing, so I'll take that one out. That one's crossing in there. That one's growing back in on itself. Okay, so I think we've kind of got it pretty well thinned out there now. We could do with maybe a bit more growth out the sides, but that'll come as it's growing and filling out more. Okay, so the only thing left to do is I think I might put some lime sulfur on this wood again. I'll give that a little coat of the lime sulfur. If I can open it, just got sulfur. Wow, that seems to have sealed it in. Okay, I've got some more here somewhere. Add in some Lilac Bonsai, which put a bit of that one on. That other one hasn't been, I've been using this one. One other one hasn't been used for a while, so it's kind of crystallized and stuck the top on, so I'll have to get the pliers and force it off, but I'll do that outside because if it breaks or anything, we all know how this stuff stinks. Okay, brush. better off, to be honest, using a smaller brush, but to paint this stuff on, so you can get into the nooks and crannies a bit better. Some glue for now. Just need this to coat as well. So there is all root in there. Maybe it has rooted from somewhere. You can see all the roots. Bring you in to show you that. You can see all the roots there. So it's like this part of the tree has sent down roots into it. It must have sent them. I could see them before dangling straight down, but I can't see them now. Maybe they're coming around the side or something. I'm not too sure. But it has got roots in there. I have to remember when I water it to just get a bit of water in there. You know, it's rotting away the inside. I'll just put a bit on this piece as well down here. Is that it? I'll just go in here as well. Okay. Right, we'll get rid of that. I almost prefer if it had big weeds, because these little tiny ones, it's a nightmare trying to pick them all out. They're so small, but if you don't try and get on top of it before you know it, it's like a carpet across the top of your soil. So yeah, so this was another one of these trees that it was a bit of a chance I was taking, just for the sake of trying it. I was giving it, so I said I'd try it just to. It'd been dug out to the ground, or no, it wasn't dug out to the ground, sorry. It was just being cut flush to the ground because they couldn't dig it out. So I just said take it and give it a go, and just on chance it might survive. So it's always worth taking a chance, because you never know. It's normally them ones that do survive. If I had a load of root on it and I was being super careful and I was stressing over it, chances are it wouldn't have survived. It's always the same. You put ones in, you just throw them into a pot, bit of soil. If they live, they live. They're 90% of the time, they're the ones that do live. The ones you take so much care about. The ones that don't. Bulk of them out anyway. Okay, you see it's just starting to whiten up now, the dead wood. But like I said, I think this is the front. I might do a bit of carving on this some stage, carve it out, because it looks too much like a chop at the moment, but we'll carve that out at some stage, drill it out or something. Yeah, but you see, flowers, like I said, flowers every year. It looks pretty nice, and it'll flower away quite a while. It flowers, and yeah, it's nice to enjoy some flowers on your bonsai sometimes. Okay, so we'll leave it at that for this one. Like I said, we'll try and build them out. Could have maybe left some branches, but we'll do it stage by stage. I want to get a lot of ramification on it if I can. That's what I've been doing with it, and that's why I've got a lot of fine branching. And I just need to build it out a bit more so that it just keeps getting bigger and bigger each year. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just a short one, but needed to be done. So yeah, put it back out on the bench, give it a watering. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.